With COVID-19 surging, state health professionals are talking about two weapons in the arsenal that can be used to fight this virus: vaccinations and masks, they say. But health leaders are reluctant to make either mandatory. Our investigative reporter Brendan Kirby is joining us live with more on this. And Brendan, Alabama's top doc is not changing his stance.
Yeah, that's right, Lenise. From the governor to the state health officer, Alabama is sticking with calls for voluntary action. Alabama State Health Officer Dr. Scott Harris painting a grim picture of the pandemic. Daily infections are running 10 times ahead of what they were in July. COVID-19 hospitalizations already are in record territory in Mobile and heading there statewide.
And if you've seen the graph on the dashboard, you can tell it's almost vertical at this point. So, yeah, I'd say we're very concerned about it.
Dr. Harris makes no secret of what he thinks of Centers for Disease Control and Prevention guidelines. He says people should wear masks indoors and get vaccinated. But in a news conference today, Harris rejected mandates.
Around the country, everybody's, really tired of this whole situation. I think the appetite for restrictions and mandates, is not the same as it was a year and a half ago, and we recognize that reality.
Mobile County Health Officer Dr. Bert Eichel took the same position this week, saying in a statement that time has passed. And Governor Kay Ivey's spokeswoman, Gina Miola, reiterated the administration's position in a statement, quote, "We have a vaccine that works. Governor Ivey is continuing to drive that message and is encouraging Alabamians to talk to their own doctors about the COVID-19 vaccine." But Alabama remains America's least vaccinated state. And Dr. Harris acknowledges that boosting vaccinations isn't an overnight solution. Even if every unvaccinated Alabamian got a first shot today, full immunity wouldn't kick in for another 5 or 6 weeks. All this leaving some Mobile area residents unsure how the state should proceed. Nodia Gauss, who owns the Haberdasher Bar downtown, says his business dropped mandatory masking for employees when the state dropped its mandate.
Everybody in my bar got vaccinated, so I think we're pretty safe as far as we think, but you never know.
Fairhope resident Noah White says there's a lot of uncertainty. He errs on the side of caution.
I would say it's probably a good idea just to mandate it.
Alabama recently passed 2 million people who have had at least one shot, and the state's been averaging more than 10,000 shots a day over the past week. That's the fastest clip since mid-May. Reporting live, Brendan Kirby, Fox 10 News.